Hello, this is a video by rodentman.com. Today we're going to do a video that shows how to set up the Humane Way Giant trap. This trap is absolutely huge, one of the biggest traps you can ship. It comes shipped in a package that's 50 inches long, 19 inches wide or 24 inches wide and about 6 inches thick. But it sets up to be a very large trap. So here we go. In the package comes some directions, but if you ever lose them or they get blown away with the wind, you always have this video. When it's shipped or you get it, the trap is generally has some plastic ties, a couple of them, that holds the trap in shape for shipping. There's also a trigger rod that comes with it. We'll be installing this momentarily. It's actually quite easy. There's only about 4 or 5 steps to setting it up. The first step is just to grab on the handle and lift up on the trap. That's the first step. The second step is to pull the back of the trap into place. There are 4 hooks, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top, and also a 5th hook on the top and a latch. So we're going to pull the door up and make sure that it lines up in all of those, as well as the one on top, which it is, and the top one snapped down. So the second step is completed, the back of the trap. Next we want to put the front frame and the front door into place. There's part of the triggering system, it's a wire here. You'll want to put that upward. And we need to pull the door out, keep the door on the outside of these catch plates to set it up properly. So we're going to pull the door frame up, and we're using the same routine. We have 4 clips, 2 on each side and a 5th clip on the top. And make sure they all line up, which they appear to be. Push the top one down a little in this case. There. We've got the front door in place. Okay, swing that down. Now, next part is probably the most difficult. We're going to put the trigger rod into place. I find that process is easiest to do. If I put the trap up on end, there, and on the bottom of the pan, there's a couple of places where it's bent out that this trigger rod goes in. There's also an opening cut in here. You'd really help yourself if you would file or sand a tip on there as opposed to being square. That just makes it much easier to get in the holders there. And on the bottom of the pan, hold it in place with the thumb and push it in. There we go. That went pretty smooth. Push it to within about 1 inch. Then we have there's a ring on the trap, and we're going to want to thread that ring around the rod. So we'll want to spread it, find the end of it, spread it open, and slip the rod in it. There we go. Now I just kind of spin it around until the rod's in the middle of it. There we go. Final step to assembling the trap is to put these 2 hooks together on the trigger rod and on the door locking mechanism. There, our trap is completely set up. So what we want to do now it's set up, of course, is test it. There's 2 locks on the bottom. We pull up on them so the door swings open. Hook this hook into place. Then we will push down on the pan. The trap fires, locks. Perfectly assembled trap. To take the trap apart, it's just the opposite process, and it's also quite easy. If you have any questions, you can always call us at rodentman.com. Thank you for watching.